Welcome back. This is the second video in our lesson on polygons. We worked with different shapes as well last week and covered the definitions for classifying shapes based on their number of sides and vertices. Take a minute to review these terms if you've forgotten them. No matter how many sides and vertices a shape has, a polygon can be regular or irregular or not regular. See if you can look at these pictures and figure out the difference. In a regular polygon, all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal. Last week, you actually learned a special name for a regular triangle, and that was equilateral. You'll notice in our irregular polygons that some of them have angles that are all the same. So for example, in this rectangle, all the angles are 90 degrees, but the sides are not the same. Also, in this star, all the sides are the same, but the angles aren't. That's because we have a concave polygon. So the angle at the tip is not the same at the angles where it tips in. So a concave polygon can never be a regular polygon. In upcoming lessons, we'll be working with different parts of polygons. You already know some of these terms. So you're familiar with the word side and vertex from last week. Angles, we can have two different types of angles. We can have the angles that are inside the polygon. That's called an interior angle. Or we can measure the angle on the outside of the polygon. That's an exterior angle. We'll also look at diagonals. Diagonals are segments when you connect one vertex to another. So it's a straight segment that connects one corner to another. Let's look specifically at the diagonals of a pentagon. In upcoming assignments, we'll have to draw diagonals from just one vertex. It doesn't matter where you start. The key is here we only want to draw from one vertex. So I'm going to start at a point I labeled A, and I'm going to draw all the diagonals. That means I'm going to go from A and connect to the other vertices. Now I've already connected to the vertex at the top because I have a side connecting it. So I'm going to go across to that one. Then I'm going to go to that corner. You'll notice again that the sides connect the other vertices. So in a pentagon, when I drew from just one point, I could only draw two diagonals. Let's repeat this process with an octagon. So again, I'm going to find one vertex to start from. So from that corner B, I'm going to draw a segment connecting B to all the other vertices. Okay, so I've drawn in all my diagonals. I want you to notice the shapes that are formed. When I drew in the diagonals, I divided that octagon into different triangles. This will be an important lesson in our next assignment. You're now set to finish up your polygons worksheet. Send me an email or meet me online if you have questions. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.